back. Well, steady for the market, so no problems coming in. The Nifty is holding at around 70,244. We have the mid-cap index, which is up around 277 odd points. Good advance decline ratio, which has continued from Wednesday's trading session, where it didn't end on the positive side. So that seems to be continuing today. Around 5 to 6 stocks advancing on the National Stock Exchange for one stock declining. So positive news coming in there. But let's focus on specific stocks then. Reliance is one of the top gainers on the Nifty today, as it has initiated the process to demerge its financial services business. Sonia is here to tell us more about this development. Sonia.
Well, thanks a lot for that. It is a big development for Reliance Industries. Remember, last year, the company had decided to demerge its financial services business, and now it has finally initiated that process. The board will be meeting with stakeholders, shareholders on the 2nd of May to decide more about the demerger plans. Now, after the demerger, the shares of Jio Financial Services, which the company will be renamed, will be listed on NSE and BSE, and shareholders will get 1 share in the new demerged entity for every share of Reliance Industries that you currently hold. Now, the financial services business is a large business, has been doing pretty well. It has revenues in excess of 1,500 crores, and the asset base combined is about 28,000 odd crores. A lot of brokerages last year had written on the demerger and how it would impact stakeholders. MK wrote a note where they said that the demerger sets the stage for monetization of its verticals, which is a positive trigger. Just to tell you a little bit about what the financial services business has. It has investments across Reliance Industrial Investments, Reliance Payment Solutions, Jio Payments Bank, Reliance Retail Finance, Jio Information Aggregator Services, which are some businesses that they want to unlock in terms of value for shareholders. One of the other important parts is that the contingent liabilities will not be transferred. So after the scheme becomes effective, there will be no litigation on contingent liabilities that will be transferred to RSIL as part of the Reliance of the financial services business. Just to put it into context, the total contingent liabilities currently stand at about 1,900 crores, but they will not be transferred to the demerged entity. Also, the company has put in place a lot of key personnel to grow this financial services business. KV Kamath was appointed as the independent and non-executive chairman. Hitesh Sethia has been appointed as CEO and MD of the entity. Remember, Hitesh Sethia is currently the head of Europe of McLaren Strategic Ventures, and he has experience of over 20 years. So most brokerages believe that this is a big plus because Reliance is finally monetizing its assets. It will be listed on BSE and NSE eventually, and this is a space which is growing quite a bit. So hence the stock is up in the green, up 3%.
Okay, all right. Sonia, thanks a lot for that. Well, let's get in Abhishek.